How to log in Chase mobile banking app. If you wish to log into your Chase mobile banking account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Chase mobile banking application. Now allow it to track basically your location or whatever else. Now over here you can sign up or open an account, or you can also basically log in with Face ID or password. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap the sign up button, but you can also tap on the login with password button here. Just make sure to enter the username of your mobile banking account, and once you enter the username, you want to enter your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the show icon there. If you want it to remember you can enable that toggle, and you can tap the sign in button, and as long as the details are correct, you will be successfully signed in. Now in some cases you might have forgotten your username or password. In that case, you can tap on the forgot username or password button, and just make sure to verify with your social security number or tax identification number or your account card or application number. After that, you will be able to reset your login details just in the case that you happen to forget it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then log into Chase Mobile. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.